10th class. Today we will discuss the last topic of chapter number 1, that is the reforms undertaken during the government of Shaukat Aziz and Pervez Musharraf. Pervez Musharraf as the president and Shaukat Aziz as the prime minister, they introduced the following reforms. Number 1 is economic reforms. Point number 1 is general sales tax was implemented. General sales tax, it was implemented on the shopkeepers. Tax rate was reduced while the tax net was widened. It means that now there will be direct taxes. The tax amount was reduced, but more people will be there to give the taxes. Understanding the burden of indirect taxes, which were fallen directly on the poor, steps were taken to increase the share of direct taxes on the rich class. So, the taxes which were previously fall on the poor class indirectly, all those taxes were stopped by the government of Pervez Musharraf, and he introduced direct taxes which were taken from the rich class to increase the tax revenue of the government. Beside this, the provincial governments, they were also allowed to introduce provincial taxes as the agricultural tax. Beside this, to check the tax paid by the people, an office of tax muhtasib that was also established. Among the social reforms, the right of the women, they were protected. The women which made the half population of the country, their rights were protected by the government of Pervez Musharraf. Along with this, more efforts were made to stop corruption from the society. Third is democratic reforms. We have discussed about the local governments. The local governments were introduced in the country. In that elections, more seats were allotted for the women. To conduct elections and to introduce the local governments, National Reconstruction Bureau was established to give a stability to the democratic institutions. The next reforms which were introduced by the government of Pervez Musharraf, that was related with the education. To improve the standard of education, HEC was established. Foreign scholarships were offered to students and teachers who showed outstanding result in their education. Salaries and extra benefits were made attractive for the people who were given scholarship. They will come back home and they will provide their services for the country. The last step that was taken by the government was the computerization of national database. Computerized ID cards were started in the country. That was used to help the government for the census and for the other purposes. These are the reforms which were introduced by the President Pervez Musharraf. After that, in 2007, Pervez Musharraf got the vote of confidence from the National Assembly. But the time period of the National Assembly was about to end. So, according to Constitution, it was not the right of that assembly. So, the political crisis was started in the country. Pervez Musharraf dismissed Chief Justice Iftikhar Chaudhry of Supreme Court from his seat. But the lawyers and judiciary, they showed their attitude and aggression against the president. In the meanwhile, Nawaz Sharif and Benazir, they came back to the country, and Benazir lost her life in terrorist activity in December 2007. The result of elections came in the form that Pakistan People's Party got majority and Yusuf Raza Gilani became the prime minister. Pervez Musharraf, after that election, resigned from his office, and on September 6, 2008, Asif Ali Zardari, he was elected as the country's new president. And thank you.